Have you ever thought about running a massive YouTube channel, but without ever, actually showing your face on camera? Well, today, that's exactly what we're going to break down. This is your complete step-by-step guide to doing it, all powered by AI.
Okay, so let's just start with what's even possible. How about this number? What if I told you that a single faceless channel could be pulling in over $80,000 every single month? Yeah. According to data from vidIQ, this isn't some crazy dream. It's what some creators are actually earning right now.
So that's the million-dollar question, right? Or, well, the $82,000 question. And the answer is actually way simpler than you'd think. AI. The explosion of these incredibly powerful artificial intelligence tools has literally changed the entire game. It's made high-quality, anonymous content creation something that's accessible to absolutely everyone.
So how do we get you there? Here's the plan. It's a 5-part roadmap. First, we'll cover the why behind going faceless. Then, we'll dive into finding your niche, building your brand with AI, putting together your creator toolkit, and finally, the really important part, how to publish and optimize everything for success.
First things first, let's unpack the appeal here. Why are so many people choosing to create content from behind the scenes? Well, it really boils down to these 4 main reasons. You've got people who are just naturally camera shy, and that's totally fine. Others just really value their privacy. For a lot of folks, it's just a matter of time. They don't have hours to set up lights and cameras and get ready for filming. But for all of them, it lets you put a laser focus on what truly matters, the content itself, not your appearance.
All right, let's start building this channel. And we're starting with the single most important decision you're going to make, your niche. Seriously, this is the foundation for everything that comes next. This is where your journey really begins.
And look at this list. These are some of the heaviest hitters out there right now. We're talking about everything from personal finance and tech tutorials to scary stories and relaxing meditation channels. The audience for these is massive. But picking one just because it's popular isn't the whole story. The really crucial point is what comes next.
Right here. Don't just chase the money. As creator Odetta Rockhead Kerr says, the real key to success is picking a topic you are genuinely passionate about. Because that passion, that's what's going to fuel you to keep creating and posting consistently. And consistency is exactly what the YouTube algorithm loves to see.
Okay, so you've got your niche, now it's time to build your brand. This part is all about creating a memorable identity for your channel. And the best part? Thanks to AI, you don't need a single design skill to pull it off.
It's honestly just a simple 4-step process. You can pop over to ChatGPT to brainstorm a catchy channel name and a cool slogan. Then you can use an AI image tool like Kittl to create a professional-looking logo in seconds. After that, just grab a template to design your banner, and finally, have ChatGPT write a compelling about description for you. You can literally get this whole branding thing done in minutes.
Our brand is ready to go. Now for the fun part, the production magic. It's time to assemble your personal AI toolkit. Think of it as your own digital production crew that's going to create your videos for you.
This is your core setup, your dream team. For generating entire videos just from a simple text prompt, InVideo AI is a total game changer. For creating those incredibly realistic human-sounding voiceovers, 11 Labs is, without a doubt, a top choice. And to save yourself hours of editing, a tool like Gling.ai can automatically chop out all the long silences and little mistakes. It's a seriously powerful and streamlined workflow.
You know, one of our sources, Kabir Online, just puts it perfectly. This quote translates to, "Using AI tools in editing helps us focus on creativity instead of wasting our time on small details." And that's exactly it. It's about letting the tech handle all the tedious work so you can be free to do what you do best. Be the creator, the storyteller.
Okay, your video is done. It looks amazing. But guess what? Making it is only half the battle. Now we're at the final and maybe most crucial step, getting people to actually watch it. See, to get seen on YouTube, you have to learn to speak the algorithm's language. And that language is called metadata. It's basically the collection of all your titles, descriptions, and tags that act like signposts, telling YouTube exactly what your video is about and who it should show it to.
So here's your checklist. You need a title that's search-friendly, a detailed description to give YouTube context, and relevant tags to connect your video to similar content. And of course, a thumbnail that just screams "click me." But here's a pro tip. Always schedule your video for at least 30 minutes in the future. Don't just hit publish. This gives YouTube's system time to process everything and find that perfect initial audience to push your video to.
And there you have it. From that first little spark of an idea all the way to the moment your video goes live, this is the complete AI-powered roadmap. You now have every single strategy and tool you need to launch a faceless channel of your very own.
So, we've walked through the entire process, from start to finish. The technology is out there, the strategy is clear, and your faceless channel is basically ready to go live. The only real question left is, what story are you going to tell first?